The secret of mind mapping. Nowadays, many questions people will ask about mind reading. They want clear cut answers. They say some technical giants have caught them. They say their thoughts are getting plundered. They say when they starts to manifest positively, people are getting against of them. They say unknown people are getting part of their story, without prior notice. They say because their thoughts are looted, they are politically, economically, socially, spiritually, culturally getting threatened. What is the reason behind? Mind mapping is not a new concept. From scientists like Sigmund Freud to present neuroscience experts, they are searching for new horizons in this field. That means total human brain is being hacked. The various centers of thought, logic, talents, fear memory centers like hippocampus, amygdala, pons, corpus callosum etc. got studied. Why great people studied all these? They desired for setting human life environment and realities. Because they thought setting human life realities is the highway for a perfect world. That means it's a hidden fact that you are controlled without your knowledge. But once these things used for greater purpose are now getting used for human destructions. This has become an opportunity for the stronger to get advantage of the weaker. Why this is hidden to the general public? Because masses or common people lacks common sense, according to philosopher Plato. Plato's functional specialization theory says about people possessing gold, silver, copper in their brain. This is simply a distinction of those who are ruling and those who ruled. The masses, if they understand this, they will completely diminish those greater purposes. Remember, initially this was started for treating psychological issues and preventing crimes. But this field, when it progressed to unimaginable realms, if masses get access to it, scientists thought that this is going to create social political conflict among people. That is why they have hidden all these scientific facts. What benefit for MNC giants? If your desires are known, they can have economical benefits. They will suggest products in your thoughts. It will appear like miracles for ordinary people. What benefit for the ruling class? This will ensure somewhat kind of permanence for their positions. What are the ways of mind mapping? Your thoughts and impulses converge in one single point of brain. These are in the form of electromagnetic impulses. This is expressed in lower frequencies, your eyeball movements, your breath out air vibrations. This is processed using artificial intelligence. What is the use of it in military? If total population can be tracked, their thoughts can be analyzed, prior justice can be established. It can give information about hidden attacks planned by individuals and anti-social organizations. Why fear is the major tool? Creating fear concentrates all energies in your brain, and this makes getting the signals with more clarity. Even some icons like potassium, silicon etc. are found to be increasing electrical conductivities of human body. This is similar mechanism to knowing those liars doing crimes and saying lies. AI cannot change us in electrical excitation and finding the truth. What is past and present innovation in this field and how this is different from psychosis? In olden days, people thought mind reading was God's gift. They said it's through this low frequency listening they found out their friends and enemies. Later, when humans progressed, new rays got found out. We began to use electroencephalographs, ECGs, magnetic resonance imaging, in more advanced forms like placing electrodes and retrieving information, like Musk's Neuralink. Psychosis means people having distorted pictures about their realities. They have poor concentration, lack of proper speech, laughing for no reason, unnecessary social and individual fear. They have lesser brain developments and their mirror neurons are completely shut because of fear. And they will fit into certain classifications of psychiatric traumas. Doctors analyze their proper mental and physical patterns through proper testing. Then only they proceed further. Why humans in modern ages has zero thoughts? It's a part of fear conditioning. Your mirror neurons are getting shut by mobile phone, causing limited secretions and inactivation of mirror neurons. That means what you say or think, or what you listen from beloved people can repeat to yourself, when your fear centers are always on mode. You may find their emotional energies of others not properly balanced, speaking to yourself and people with exhausted energies and fear, becoming completely failed in life.